Are you seeing more dead skin cells these days? It's probably due to the changes of season. In Korea right now, we are transitioning from spring to summer. And for these times, I love using a powder type enzyme cleanser to exfoliate my skin. It gently removes dead skin cells and it has a very hydrating finish. Now, I'm gonna be adding in my go-to sheet mask for calming and restoring care. This is the Madeca Derma Revitalizing Sheet Mask, which is a cream sheet mask with a very thick, viscous formula, but it's still lightweight, and I love how fast my skin drinks it up. The sheet of the material is thicker compared to other sheet masks, and I just love how cushiony it is, and the hydration lasts for a very long time. Especially if you have concerns of dry, heated, sensitized skin, then I want to highly recommend popping this one into the fridge for about a minute or two and add it into your routine daily or for your pampering routine. The best results that I've seen with the sheet mask is that my skin looks more plumped, brighter, and youthful. Plus, it helps to strengthen my skin barrier. Also, I'm using the serum from the same line. This has a very thick, gunky texture, and it's also excellent for sensitized, irritated, and red skin. Last but not least, we're gonna finish off with a sunscreen. Personally, for me, I love using a good, light, fresh textured one that literally doesn't even feel like a sunscreen. I find myself reaching for it more often, and I find myself loving to reapply them as well. Hope you guys enjoyed my routine, and comment below on which routine you want to see next.